Very true. When we come for Mass, alongside the preparation, you find that uh, the youths want to sit at the back or somewhere at a corner, and then the millennials sometimes are just somewhere, and then we have the older people want to go closer to the altar. Then you find that when you come early, the people are so scattered, and you mentioned about it. So we love to know, why do you keep insisting that we go closer to the altar when we sit during Mass?
First, if you look at the Last Supper, the disciples were not scattered. They were sitting around the table. And I believe there is something called communion. Communion means you're together, sitting together, participating in that Eucharistic celebration. So when you're scattered, it does not bring that sense of communion, bond, or unity. Because now, if you're scattered, then Father says, let us offer each other a sign of peace. You're in that corner. You're in that corner. How are you going to offer that peace? So are you going to be moving around, causing distraction and so me actually insist, can we sit closer? Because if you go to the cinema, everyone rushes to sit in front. If you go to the stadiums, everyone wants to sit in front. Then how comes when it comes for Mass, you have to scatter, you have to be away from. I tell people, come closer. Sit in the nearest benches near the altar. Those are VIP. And I don't know why people fear. And you see, when you scattered or you sit behind, you prevent others who come late also to start sitting behind. So again, it looks awkward. A big chapel where people are scattered. When there's no Mass and you're scattered, that's okay. But when there's Mass, why don't we come together? Practical example, in a parish where there's no generator, power goes. You want me to shout? I won't. I'll speak those who are near, because if you're seated behind there, you're going to create a lot of chaos. So now we can't hear you. But you're seated behind. Practical example, look at your church. And I think one day I was having Mass at Bakita. And every time I saw people sitting behind, I could switch off the microphone so that those who are in front can benefit. So that those ones who are behind tomorrow, they'll come forward.
Father, you're funny. Um, I think you really put it so well. We need just the whole aspect of Jesus and the disciples sitting on a round table.
Yes.
That is so true.